Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to set up TeamSpeak 3 on Linux with Arma 3. So first thing you got to do is you got to go to your Arma 3 in your library, go to compatibility and turn on force compatibility with Proton experimental. Okay, and then it's going to download an update. Once that's done, you need to go to the TeamSpeak 3 website. Okay, go to download and download the Windows 64-bit client. Okay, save it somewhere. I put it on my desktop so it's easy to find. Okay, once you've done that, launch Arma. Takes a minute. Okay, now what you want to do just done doing its thing. If it ever finishes. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, so you go to mods and you want to make sure you install Task Force Radio Beta. Okay, it'll say last update 2021. Okay, install that, and then you're gonna need CBA. Once those are installed and downloaded, click on this little icon, open. I understand. Now, go to My Computer, go to Z Drive. Your Z Drive is your actual Linux drive. So you click on Home, your user, and then Desktop. And in there you should be where you put your file, or wherever you put your file, okay? Install that. Double click that, it'll run the install. And then once that's finished, you need to install the plugin for TeamSpeak. And that has to go under C, Users, Steam User, Application Data, TS3 Client, and then Plugins. And the plugins are these two files and this folder called Radio Sounds. Okay? Those need to be put into your TeamSpeak. Okay? Once those are done, launch your TeamSpeak.
Connected.
And go to Options. And then Add-ons. And you should see it down here. Okay? Now, if you don't have those files, you can get them
Disconnected.
by clicking here. Again, open files. Click on the Task Force Radio, and then you'll see a TeamSpeak folder. And in there, there's a TS3 plugin file. That has to be run on a Windows machine with TeamSpeak installed. Okay? That'll extract the files into that folder under your user, C Windows, C Users, the username, TS3 Client. Okay? I'll show you again. It's under here. C Drive, Users. In this case, it's Steam User because I'm running it through Proton. Application Data and TS3. And you'll see a plugins. And you need three things. These two files, the DLLs, and then this Radio Sounds folder. That will enable you to have the plugin working in the Windows TeamSpeak through the Proton. You have to make sure that you launch TeamSpeak before you launch the game. So you click on that icon, it takes you to this little option here, all your mods. Click on Desktop. It should have installed a desktop icon, and then you just double click. It should take you to your TeamSpeak. So that's open.
Connected.
Then you can launch. Make sure you launch with mods. Okay, I'm just going to run an editor just to show you that it's working.
Channel
Error.
switched.
There you go. I got Task Force Radio working. And that's it, folks.
Channel switched.
So hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it works out for you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or hit me up on Steam. Take care.